I've known of her since I was a little child.
The families have known each other for a really long time. And I've always known about Rohan's existence, but I never actually met him.
हमें ना मुझे तो बहुत पहले से था कि व्हेन ही टर्न 28 आई सेड यू शुड गेट मैरिड और टाइम से हो जाना चाहिए सब कुछ, बट ही वाज नॉट रेडी फॉर मैरिज। फिर इसकी चॉइस ऐसी थी कि इसकी टाइप की लड़की को ढूंढ पाना वाज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क। तो वी वर लुकिंग अराउंड, लेकिन इसकी पसंद वाली कोई मिल नहीं रही थी।
Went to functions at her house. She's been to functions at my house. She came to my brother's wedding, but we never spoke. And then last year when I was at home,
Then my mom told me about Rohan, and I was like, okay, why not? Let's talk. And yeah, and then we just started to talk.
first conversation it was over text. I was very punctual. I am always punctual, but like I messaged her at like 7:59 saying, "Hey, are you free?" And then we got on a call, started talking. It just happened. Like I can't pinpoint to a exact moment when it happened, but at some point we went from like, oh, I think it was after we met the first time. The one thing I like the most about her is I can have pretty much any type of conversation with her. We do all Bollywood gossip, Bollywood drama. We were like gung ho about the Ambani wedding, talking, hey, what's going on, what's this, that, blah blah. But also, considering her intellectual nature, obviously she works at the World Bank, and she was one of the kids I was told to look up to. Like during my childhood, it was said, haha, look at Tulika auntie's children, they are like they were the examples, they were the Sharma ji ke bache paras.
A great big bang and dinosaurs, fiery rain and meteors. It all ends unfortunately, but you're gonna live forever in me, I guarantee. Just wait and see.
वी थॉट ही विल मतलब फाइंड अ गर्ल फॉर हिमसेल्फ, अपना आप ही ढूंढ लेगा, वो भी नहीं हुआ। सो देन फाइनली जब क्या कहते हैं, ऐसी किसी हमारी एक कॉमन फ्रेंड है, उसने बताया कि आप इधर उधर ढूंढ रहे हो, आप आपस में क्यों नहीं सोचते करने का। तो दैट वाज समथिंग दैट क्लिक एकदम ना, ऐसे डरे ये तो हमें ध्यान में ही नहीं आया। एंड देन आई टोल्ड हिम एंड ही सेड ओके, मैं मिलता हूँ, बात करता हूँ, एंड सडनली एवरीथिंग फेल इन प्लेस। नहीं तो ही एंड यूज्ड टू से नहीं, जल्दी मैरिज तो नहीं करूँगा, जब तक क्या कहते हैं भैया की जैसे आपने 32 इयर्स में करी वैसे ही मैं भी करूँगा। एक एज होनी चाहिए शादी की। एज तो चलो इसकी उतनी पहुंच ही गई, लेकिन फाइनली ही गॉट अ गर्ल ऑफ हिज चॉइस एंड वी आर रिलेटेड, वी आर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी कि ही हैज़ फाउंड अ गर्ल जो जैसा ये चाहता था उसी टाइप की इसको इतनी प्यारी सी लड़की मिली है।
क्या कहूँ, आँखों ने मेरी सब कह दिया, एक तू ही जीने का मतलब कह दिया।
नॉट ओनली जैसा ये चाहता था वैसे ही गॉट अ गर्ल, बट जैसी हम चाहते थे, अगेन दैट इज व्हाट
Yes.
we can say, and she's also a wonderful girl, and I think both of them are matched.
तू चले साथ तो खूबसूरत सफर, तेरी राहों में मेरा जहां के रंग लगे इश्क दा, के रंग लगे इश्क दा, मैं तेरा होया इस तरह, के रंग लगे इश्क दा।
I think love is understanding and respect, and that I think is what we have for each other, not just for each other but for like our families and friends and extended families as well. So just making sure that you understand what your partner needs and wants and make sure that you give it to them without them asking for it. I think that's what love is for me. That's what I think. I don't even have to ask for things from Tanushree. She just knows what I need at what point of time. It's just small things. At some point when I was like not feeling the best or some work related problem had happened, she sent something over just to be like, hey, I know you're having like a hard day, so here's just something to cheer you up. So I think just the small things, that's what love is all about for me.
रोशनी ही रोशनी है, चार सू जो चार सू, इश्क है ये इश्क है।
Love for me, it's a combination of being caring, understanding, and just listening to what the other person is saying. I think that's the most important thing. If you're able to do that, be it to your friend, to your partner, to anyone, I think that's when you truly love them, when you listen to them.
तुमसे मिले तो कुछ गुनगुनी सी होने लगी है सर्दियाँ। तुमसे मिले तो देखो शहर में खिलने लगी है वादियाँ। साया मेरा है तू और मैं तेरा, तू दिखे या ना दिखे तू, तेरी खुशबू बू, इश्क है ये इश्क है, इश्क है ये इश्क है, इश्क है ये इश्क है, इश्क है ये इश्क है।
Hi, future Rohan and Tanushree. Congratulations, you made it. You're officially married and living together, and you're happy, of course. You must always remember to not take anything for granted, because you're super lucky that you found each other, and you have to put an effort to make each other happy every single day, because that's how life is. So don't ever become complacent, and always be super grateful for whatever you have, and keep the spark alive, and keep things chill and have fun, and don't let anything get too serious, because nothing is ever too serious. So yeah, that's the only thing I want to say to future Rohan and Tanushree, that be happy, be grateful, and keep things light and fun.
रुक क्यों गए? बजा!